Hello everyone, in today's tutorial video, I'm going to talk about how to make charts in Excel. Speaking of chart making, it's probably the most rewarding function when first learning Excel. After all, for most people, a nice chart is always more appealing than rows of confusing data. So how do we convert table data into a chart? The steps are actually very simple. First, use the mouse to select the whole table. When selecting, remember to include the column and row titles, not just the inner data. The titles can be used as axis labels in the chart. Okay, after selecting, go to the Insert tab. Excel provides many chart types here. Take the common column chart for example. It has flat, 3D, bar chart, variance, etc. I'll apply a clustered column chart here. Click and it instantly appears in the sheet. Operating the chart is similar to regular pictures. You can drag it around to move, and drag the corner handles to resize. If you don't want the chart with the data, click Move Chart in the function bar. In the dialog, we can move the chart to another existing sheet, or make it a brand new sheet. This helps focus viewers on the chart content. The chart has a default title text box. We can type the title content here. If needed, go to the Home tab to edit basic text formatting. To add other text or data in the chart, click Add Chart Element in the function bar. This lets you add data labels, data table, and common axis titles. You can add axis titles and directly click the axis titles to modify the text. Here, you may notice the vertical axis title is not oriented correctly. To fix this, right-click the title and choose Format Axis Title. Then in the right panel, go to Text Options and open Text Box Settings. Here we can change the text direction to vertical or other options. An interesting thing about Excel charts is that they aren't static images. Even after finishing the chart, we can still modify the table data, and the chart will update accordingly. We can even continue adding data below the table. After inputting, click the chart. The table edges will now show colored boxes representing the chart data range. Then drag with the mouse to expand this range downward, and the new data appears in the chart. In Excel 2013 and later, there is a Data Filters feature on the chart's right. If you want to temporarily hide a month's data or a product, for example, click the Filters button. Then uncheck what you want to hide and hit Apply at the bottom. This easily simplifies the current chart. If you suddenly want to change the column chart to another type, that's easy to. In the Design tab, click Change Chart Type, choose the new chart style you want, like bar chart. Then pick a bar design, hit OK. Here's another common trick. The chart is currently grouped by product. If you want to group by month instead, click Switch Row Column in the function bar. This easily swaps the grouping. Finally, try Excel's built-in chart styles. Just hover over a design to preview how it looks. You can also use the Change Colors button to apply different color schemes. Wasn't it easy to make a nice chart? Okay. That concludes my chart basics intro for today. Next time, I'll cover some other common chart types. See you then. Bye.